This is the Lipo 6 Black, the Ultra Concentrate. You're supposed to take 1 pill of these a day. This is a fat burner, like a thermogenic thing. Just want to show you how this arrives. You know, it's a nice sealed container. It says the serving size is 1 black cap here, and the servings per container is 60. But on the back here, it says take 1 black cap in the morning and 1 black cap in the afternoon. So that would make this a 30-day supply if you're following the recommended use on here. So I'm not sure why they did that, but just to show you what they look like. Nice little silicone gel pack in here. It arrived, nothing stuck together. There's no smell or taste that you have to worry about. I've read a lot of comments where people get jittery taking this kind of stuff, and everyone's different. Obviously, you want to talk to somebody before you take anything like this. I would imagine your doctor or whatnot. I'm used to taking stuff that's supposed to make other people feel jittery, and I don't get jittery at all on this. I drink 1 cup of coffee and 1 shot of espresso in the morning with one of these. You know, I feel a little bit of an energy boost from it, but I'm not getting jittery from it, if that helps anyone. You may, but I don't. 60 caps inside of here, and there you go, Lipo 6.